Hi, my name is Eric Whitcop. Along with me is Nicholas Erickson, and today we're going to do a demo of XSOAR integrating with Prisma Cloud. Now, in this use case for this playbook, what we've done is we wanted to automatically detect a public S3 bucket. When I say detect, I mean Prisma Cloud will detect the presence of a public ACL on an S3 bucket in AWS in this case. So as you see on the left, Prisma Cloud is constantly API polling, detects that we have a new S3 bucket. I generate an alert. An alert ID would be like P-12345. Cortex is going to pull that in, parse it. From there, we've decided in our playbook to email the manager of the S3 owner. And so what we've done, we take the Amazon username, the owner, and we will find the user's manager in Active Directory, email the user and the manager and alert them that they've just created a public S3 bucket and it's against corporate policy to not follow the dictated policy by the corporation. From there, the SOC will have all the remediation commands needed at their fingertips. They're going to have the fully qualified link to go look at the actual data that's in there. They're going to be able to run an AWS CLI command if they have access to that account. They can remediate it by remediating from XSOAR, which will then talk to Prisma Cloud, and Prisma Cloud will be doing the remediation. Now, what you don't see here is you don't see that Cortex has any AWS accounts onboarded. We shouldn't have to, in this author's opinion. We've already onboarded everything in Prisma Cloud. I want one pane of glass. I want one point of remediation for all things, and that'll be Prisma Cloud. So here's our playbook. We've parsed the policy ID for the public S3 bucket, the out-of-the-box policy, so that will never change because it's baked into the product. And we assign an analyst, we fully qualify the FQDN, we do AD lookups, we email people, and we print. If you wanted to remediate, this will be the command that you want to use. We're going to copy and paste this. This could be automated. We've chosen not to in this case. Maybe we want to do some investigation. We don't want to break anything, but once we've deemed that this is unauthorized, then we have the power as a SOC to go ahead and mitigate the threat, right? If I look at my case info, here's a fully qualified S3 URL. As a SOC analyst, I can click on this and look at the actual data in here to see if there's any kind of PII, anything sensitive that I might want to know about. Here is my AWS CLI command, a score rating, right? The bucket name, and there's plenty of other data in here that you can see. Here's the steps to log into the console and do it to disable the public S3 in the GUI, right? And so let's go to S3. The S3 bucket in this case is Whitcop bucket. It's public. Let's remediate that from XSOAR. And it works. And you can see that Whitcop bucket is no longer public. Thank you.